Hello students. Now addition of two integers. My dear students, addition of two integers you have to do in two cases. First one is when both having the same sign, either both positive one or having both negative one. This is the first case. And second case, if both are opposite, one is positive and another is negative, one is negative, another is positive. So regarding integers, if you take the same sign of the integers, then what to do in case first? This is the case first and this is the case second. What to do? I explain it with the help of examples. Case first, when both integers having the same sign, then what to do? Actually, if both having the same sign, then at first you have to give the sign before the sum of minus and sum of its absolute value. You have to just give the minus sign before it in the case of minus, and you have to put plus sign when there is a positive sign, same sign. For example, if you have to add 4 plus 8, both having, actually 4 means here 4 means plus 4. You know that 4 means actually plus 4. So 4 is also positive sign, 8 is also positive sign. So you have to just put plus sign and you have to take the absolute value of 4 and 8. And what will be its value? Actually plus 4 plus 8. And what will be final answer? 12, which can be written as 12. Similarly, in the case of minus, suppose that minus 4 and minus 8. Then you have to put minus sign and then you have to take the absolute value of minus 4 and absolute value of minus 8. And what you get? Minus 4 plus 8, and what will be in this case? Minus 12. So my dear student, when both integers are having the same sign, then you have to put the sign that is given in that questions, and then you have to sum up the absolute value of that integers. When both integers have different sign, suppose that plus 7 minus 5, or you have to 5 minus 7. In this case, you have to just see that, my dear students, it is the rule that you have to subtract from the greater number minus a smaller number, and greater number you have to take the absolute value of that number on the basis of their absolute value. So if you find out the absolute value of plus 7, then what is its absolute value? Absolute value of 7 is 7 and absolute value of 5 is actually 5. You have to subtract and put the sign of what is the sign of the greater integer, and in this case actually plus. Then what will be its value in this case? Plus 7 minus 5, and what will be its answer? Plus 2, which is written as 2. In this case, actually, you have to, at first you have to just see the integers. Which one is without absolute value of integers? Absolute value of minus 7 is 7. Absolute value of 5 is 5. Then you have to just see that 7 is greater than 5. So you have to put the sign of 7 minus, and then you have to subtract minus 7 and minus absolute value of 5. And what you get in this case? 7 minus 5, and the result is minus 2. So it is the rule that when two integers have given the different sign, then you have to at first you have to just check the absolute value of greater integers and smaller integers. You have to just check, and then you have to subtract from greater absolute value of greater integers to absolute value of smaller integers, and the sign you have to just given that the integers which have the larger one. One example, one more example. Suppose that you have to subtract 5 minus 8. I have to just see that two integers are plus 5, which is positive integers, minus 8, that is negative integers. Now you have to take the, you know very well that absolute value of plus 5 is 5, absolute value of minus 8 is 8. So you know that 8 is greater than 5. So you have to put the sign of, when you have to subtract, then put the sign of minus here, and then you have to subtract absolute value of minus 8 minus absolute value of 5. And what you get in this case? 8 minus 5. And what will be the final answer? The final answer is minus 3 when you subtract 5 minus 8. That. Now, properties of addition of two integers. My dear students, under this you have to learn about closure property, commutative property, associative property, existence of additive identity, and existence of additive inverse. You have to learn these topics under this. Regarding the closure property, if A and B are two non-zero integers, then according to closure properties, A plus B is also an integer. For example, 2 is a non-zero integer, 3 is also non-zero integers. If you add 2 plus 3, and that is 5, and 5 is also an integer. Similarly, you can just check that 4 is an integer, 5 is also an integer. If you add 4 plus 5, then 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is also an integer. For the second one, commutative property, if A and B are two integers, then if you add A plus B in any order, if you change its order, if you add B plus A, then the result is unchanged. So, commutative property of integers tells us that the order of any integers doesn't have any meaning regarding addition. For example, 2 plus 3. If you add, then its result is 5. If you change its order, then 3 plus 2 result is also 5. So here you see that 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. So result is unchanged, and this property is associated with commutative property. Now the third property is associative property. Actually, associative property is related to three integers. Suppose that A, B and C are three integers, then according to associative property, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Now you take the example. Let A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 5. Then LHS, you have to just check that A plus B plus C, 2 plus 3 plus 5. After the operation you get 10. In RHS side you have to just check that A plus B plus C, then what you have to see that 2 plus 3 plus 5, 2 plus 8, and it is equal to 10. So my dear student, what you have observed? You have just observed that LHS is equal to RHS. So my dear students, it verified the associative property. So associative property related to three integers, either positive or integers. You have to just check, and several questions has given in the question which is based on the properties and which is based on commutative as well as associative properties. Now, existence of additive identity. Regarding additive identity, for any integers a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a, and the final result is a. Means any integers is added to 0 or 0 is added to any integers, the result is the same integers. Here 0 is known as additive identity. For example, 5 plus 0 or 0 plus 5, the result is 5. Here 0 is known as additive identity of 5. Similarly, regarding the last properties of existence of additive inverse, you know very well that what is the inverse of A. You have already learned that additive inverse of A is minus A, and an inverse of minus A is A. So what is the rule of existence of additive inverse for any integers A? For any integers, A plus minus A is equal to minus A plus A. The result is 0. Here minus A is known as additive inverse of A, and here plus A is known as additive inverse of minus A. For example, what is the additive inverse of 2? Actually 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 is known as additive inverse of 2, because if you add them, then the result is 0. 4 minus 5, additive inverse is 5. Why? Because minus 5 plus 5, the result is 0. By this way, you can just solve the question. My dear students, regarding subtraction of two integers, if A and B are two integers, then A minus B is actually A plus minus B, and I have just taught you that it is the additive inverse of B, and this is why subtraction of two integers is also a type of addition of one integer and additive inverse of another integers. For example, 8 minus 5, it can be written as 8 plus minus 5, and what will be the final conclusion? 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, and you know that it can be also be solved by using the absolute modulus that you have to just learn in the previous class, that 8 minus 5 can be written as plus modulus of 8 minus or modulus of 5, and you know that plus 8 minus 5 and plus 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. It means plus 3. No need to solve by this way. Actually, you have to just solve by this way, so you can easily solve this process. Regarding properties, it follow the closure properties. If A and B are two integers, then A minus B is also an integer. So it is closed under closure property. For example, 2 is an integer, 5 is also an integer, and therefore 2 minus 5, that is minus 3. Here minus 3 is also an integer. Actually, I have just discussed about the subtraction of integers, and by using these properties you are able to solve the question related to them.